Alright, quick video. It's windy, so the audio might suck. Sorry. I'm gonna do a quick connect on this water station, hose hookup, hose spigot, water spigot, bib, hose hookup station. We're gonna do a quick connect so we can take this off and wash our hands or connect some other implement that we want. And this is a reminder, with garden hoses, no Teflon, and anything that has a washer, no Teflon needed unless it leaks, of course. But the washer in here is supposed to make the seal. The other NTP threads, they don't have washers, so make sure you use a Teflon tape. So, start with this piece, which goes on the actual spigot. Let's verify, make sure we have a washer. There you go. On my other videos, I kept calling it an O-ring, but it's a washer. Flat washer. Garden hose, flat washer. Now this part screws into your hose or other implement. This is nice. It has a little notch there if you want to wrench down on it if it leaks. This one might. We'll see. So now that goes onto there. Push up to release and to attach. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.